Being a business owner can be challenging. So much to do, so many things to think about, so many decisions to take. It's really important that you're in control and able to keep your finger on the pulse. The key to staying in control is to be organised. This helps the business run smoothly and helps everyone in the business to be as efficient as possible. We're going to look at 4 key areas in a moment. But first, let me remind you that one important aspect of running a business is keeping abreast of all the legal obligations. Of course, these differ depending on what sort of business you have. Make sure you know what your legal responsibilities are and keep up to date with changes in legislation. There's more information about this on the UK government website. I suggest you have a look, bookmark the website and look at it on a regular basis. Now let's look at these 4 areas that can help you stay in control. The first is creating effective systems. This is all about getting things done in a consistent and efficient way. It'll help you avoid repeating tasks when you don't need to, and will also make sure you don't miss critical tasks or important deadlines. Do your administration and paperwork on a regular basis. It's a good idea to set aside a specific time every week. Keep paperwork and electronic files organised. It makes it easier to find what you want, and you're less likely to overlook things like outstanding bills or important deadlines. Look at ways to streamline daily tasks, establish routines, or put together simple procedures to save you time. The second area that'll help you stay in control is using technology to support your business. Most businesses rely on computers, software, apps, and the internet in some form. This can help your efficiency and also means you can access files whenever and wherever you want them. It can be very cost-effective too, but make sure you think carefully and get advice before you make your decisions. The important thing is to be sure everything can work together and that it's scalable and can expand as your business grows. It's important too to think about the security of systems and data. There's lots of advice available. Ask your Business Wales business advisor to point you in the right direction. The third area is managing your time. It can be very easy to be busy all day but achieve very little. Have goals and break them down into individual tasks. Start each day by deciding what is most important for you to accomplish that day. Remember, your focus should be on things that directly impact on your income. Use checklists too. There are a number available in this module for you to download to get you started. Blocking time to focus on one activity is a good way to improve productivity. Try it for yourself and maybe turn off phones and email so you aren't interrupted. Of course, delegating and outsourcing can be useful to free you up to focus on what you do best. The final area that can help you stay in control is about communicating effectively. Poor communication leads to misunderstandings and problems. Be aware of how you communicate with your team and with customers, in fact with everyone who comes into contact with your business. Listen and be responsive. And whilst email and texting can be quick and easy, don't forget to actually talk to people too. Most of the things we've talked about are straightforward. Think before you rush into things and spend a little time planning and preparing. You'll be glad you did, and it'll certainly help you stay in control.